gold and how they're just kind of pointed on the end. So this is in part 2 now. These little forks and knives and spoons are very elegant. It's a service for 8, so there's 24 pieces. And just, I thought, even after the 4th of July, this, without the red dinner plates and cocktail napkins, I've just used the blue and white, and this would just be nice to have the ladies over to have coffee and banana nut bread, or tea and gluten-free cookies, or whatever you do. Just invite some, like a girlfriend or two over, and just have a nice, something really nice. I also put out nice stuff just for me and Lance, because he's my greatest guest at the table. Okay, so that's that. Then I also, this actually isn't from Barnett and Company. This is just from the grocery store, Fresh Market here. I just get, again, for the same reason, I get pretty dinner towelettes, and the thicker the better, so that people can really feel like they're getting their hands dry. Because sometimes the paper ones just almost come apart when you're trying to use them, but at least it's something they can use. But the ones that are more linen-y, like these, they're a little thicker. Like I said, I got this at the grocery store, and these are made by CASPARI, CASPARI. I will do a link to that below. Very easy. And then there's also Michel, M-I-C-H-E-L. I think it's called Michel and Company. They make a lot of plates and napkins and stuff like that. Bed Bath & Beyond has a section of these. And theirs are actual, like a linen, not real linen, but a linen feel to them. And they're thicker, and they have an initial on it, so I'll do a B for Buchanan. But, so that's something you can do. These are also great to give as gifts. I give these whenever I give out something to one of my girlfriends that I know entertains, or my sister up in Maryland that I know, she puts them out for when people come over. I think she has the little tray in her bathroom too, so I'll just give her little pretty ones that she can use. And then here is a beautiful little set of coasters, but instead of hard coaster, I just saw a fly go by, unless there's something wrong with my eyes. Y'all think there is something wrong with my eyes. I'm starting to see a new floater. You get floaters, I know it sounds so funny to say, floaties, I should say, in your eyes. It looks like little black specks. It's not a diabetes where they get black blockouts. It's actual little specks. As you get older, it's very normal, very common. My ophthalmologist told me. But today I've got a new one, and it's right down here. It almost looks like I've got mascara on, but it's moving with my eye. So I'm like, oh, I got a new one. And when I look up to the right real quick, I see a flash of light that's a curl. So I'm probably going to make an appointment. If that doesn't stop by the end of the day, sometimes hormonal changes can cause that, y'all. But never, never, never ignore anything new that has to do with your eyes, whether it's a new floaty, whether it is a flashing light. That can be signs of retinal detachment, or actually, I shouldn't say what it is. I'm not a doctor. Just go to your ophthalmologist. You should always have an ophthalmologist that you know. That's a surgeon. There's an optician, an optometrist, and an ophthalmologist. An optician can do glasses. Ophthalmologist can do the exams and everything for the glasses. An ophthalmologist can do all of that, plus they can do eye surgeries. I want an ophthalmologist. Okay, so all that being said, y'all, that just flashed twice. I may need to call them. Like I said, sometimes with hormones, it can happen. It's actually called, what's it called? A something migraine, virtual migraine. You don't have the pain, but you'll see something like that. So mine used to be, it looked like somebody took a softball and threw it through a window. It's because it was this little jagged hole in front of my eye. I'm like, what is that? And I kept blinking. It wouldn't go away, and it just started slowly growing. And what it does is it grows and grows and grows and grows until it goes out of your vision, and it's over. It takes about 10 minutes. But they said there's absolutely, it's just a change in hormones, and that happens to us, and then it's gone. So I don't know if that's what this is, but since it's like a flash of light, I'm a little more concerned. Anyway, so you can see this is from Barnett and Company. They got their little sticker on it, but this again is made, their vendor is Two's Company. The word two, T-W-O, Two's Company. And so you could look that up, twoscompany.com. These are little linen coasters. So, you know, they will absorb the water, which is good about coasters. Some people have coasters that are like plastic, or they are cardboard on top, and they don't absorb the water. It just drips everywhere when you pick your cup up. So you either want stone, which will absorb it to a point, cork, which absorbs it, or these nice little linen ones, and each one is different. There's this, it's white with this beautiful sagey green, ladybug, a bee, a fly, or is that a moth, a cricket, my favorite, a butterfly, and a dragonfly. So they're all cute. And I like them. And I need to use them. So I need to show y'all so I can actually use them. Okay, I also got some jewelries. One of them I wore the other day, so it's not in here, but I'll show you the next time I wear them. Yeah, it's not in here. But the other one I did get, and this is made by, who's this made by? I can't tell, but it came in a little box, and inside the box, these beautiful little pouches. Just says Barnett and Company, and I can't see. That is so lightly written. Oh, it's theirs. Shop Barnett and Co.com. Shop Barnett and Co.com. Okay, so you can pick these things up. This is just a franchise store. I thought it was a mom and pop store, but anyway, I love these. I'm going to put this up close. I think these are so pretty, and I've got a dress that these are going to just look perfect with. But it looks kind of vintagey, and it's just like a crystal with a back blacking, and in the foreground is like a little flower and some little gold flicks, and then it's got this pretty little gold bar. And I just think that's going to be really pretty, like when it hangs like that. I think it will be very, very elegant and pretty. And I've got a red dress with some black flicks in it that will just, it's going to look perfect. So I fell in love with that. The other ones are a rectangle wire that's a cutout with pearls. Like free floating, looks like they're in the air, but it's a cutout. Very, very pretty. You could wear dressy, or very dressy, actually, or casual. So I really like that. And I think that's it. How close am I to the end? Okay, I'm going to show you something else. This is not from Barnett and Company, and I just got these, and they're made by, oh my gosh, I will have to go look it up and tell you. But it was one of those ads on the side screen, and I thought, you know, those look comfortable. They look cute, kind of fussy for summer. Aren't these the cutest? They've got a little flower and the little perforated, that's not leather. I don't know what it is, but they're very inexpensive. It's like less than $30. But it's a good wedge. It kind of looks stylish if you're going to have a little wedge like that. And they're super lightweight. Oh my gosh, I could pick it up with my little weak pinky. That's how light they are. And it's a heel, but it's a wedge. So I kind of look like I'm wearing a heel. It doesn't look so frumpy. But it's super, super, oh, it just fits so good. Can I show you my foot? I'm so proud of myself that I can show you my foot right now. Y'all, I love them. So I got them in this color, white, because I have a little cute little white lace dress that I thought that would go good. And then this alternate color right here, I also got it in that color. And that will go with what I'm wearing today. So I could wear this. Not these, this is too white. But the other color is kind of like a taupey. It's kind of like this color in here, right there. It's got that kind of browny taupey look right there. Oh, it's a cheetah. I didn't notice that was a leopard. Anyway, do y'all see the leopard? Oh, there is a leopard. Look, do you see the leopard? Right there. He's in between the bushes. He's hiding. Look. There he is again. He's kind of reverse or burnout. And then you see all the little flowers. So it's a tropical jungle, and he's sneaking through it. Okay. So y'all, that's it. That's all my treats. I finally get to use them all because now I've shown them all to you. Whenever I bought something during this period of time that I have been out, I have saved it and not used it for the most part. I won't say that's true every single time. But, and so now I can go take it all over the house and disperse it and get something out of this room. I'm still trying to pick up the house from all the different things that happened during the move. I really do like that together. That's really cute. I'm wondering where I'm going to lay that though, because I don't have a coffee table anymore. I don't know. I could put it right over there. That would be cute. Ow, that really hurt. To just sit him on the table like that. What do y'all think? Can y'all see? Do you think that looks cute over there? I just really slammed my toe and it hurts so bad, y'all, I could cry. Oh my gosh, you glad I'm back, Crazy Beth. Okay, I love y'all. Talk to you again soon. Bye!